Fans fired up at Lindsey Nelson Stadium. Hundley got him swinging. Ball game, Big Orange.
Now the ball's in traffic. High fly in with Potts.
Got a fastball and absolutely destroyed it. Tennessee in front, 4-3. Russell's second homer of the night.
Some momentum for Tennessee coming into tonight. Off to a 3-0 start, and everyone's still buzzing about the win Monday at Notre Dame.
Tennessee is rolling with momentum right now.
Fastball that upper 80s.
Deep to center. Well back. 3-homer game, Evan Russell. 7-3, Big Orange. The party continues for Russell and the Tennessee Volunteers.
Here's Bowden of the Volunteers.
Bases loaded here with 2 gone. Into center. The dive, but Safford can't make the grab, and Tennessee sweeps LSU.
The block,
The sweep for the Big Orange. 3-0 over Florida. What a finish for the Lady Vols. Tennessee already getting some production from Admiral Schofield, Grant Williams. That is no surprise. They've combined today for 6 of the 9 points scored already against Tennessee Tech. Chad Dallas. A career-high 10 strikeouts, and he's not done yet. 6 strong innings against LSU. Here's Shaw. Makes a good move and scores. 5-1 Tennessee. Another opportunity near the box. This is headed to the back of the net. Give the Volunteers 6 and give Danielle Marcano a goal. Tennessee didn't foul. The Vols ready to run. This is John Fulkerson.
Yeah, that's big time. That's big time.
Ashley Rogers. Her 8th strikeout and her 5th shutout of the year as Tennessee defeats Liberty 6-0 in Knoxville. Into deep right field. Well back. Gone! Gilbert walks it off.
They calling it a home run.
Yes, no doubt.
Yep.
Celebrate, Big Orange. Balmaneri wants to take a look. The decision is in. Home run! Tennessee takes the series. Gilbert can celebrate now. The Volunteers had to wait a long time to start this season, but it starts with a win in Knoxville. Tonight's final score from Thompson Bowling Arena, it's Tennessee 56, Colorado 47.